Well, as you can see, I've got the electrical is all done. Everything is hooked up, everything. So the truck runs really good, but there was another complaint on this truck, and that is it has some blow-by. So it's building pressure, and it's blowing out the dipstick, and sometimes it's blowing off this breather. So looking at this thing, the way that it sits, if you look at it, they have no PCV setup on this guy. So positive crank ventilation. So the rings, the way that they're set up, you'll get a little bit of blow-by through that coming up into the motor, and it's building up enough to where I think eventually it's probably going to start blowing seals. I don't know if it'll be the front seal or the back seal, the main, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a different set of valve covers on. So you can see on this guy, you got your oil filler here, and then I have a vent here. So I'll put a breather here, I'll put the cap here, and then on the other one, it has a hole in the front, and I'll go ahead and I'll set that up with a PCV, and I'm going to put a new carburetor on here, and on the new carburetor, it has a vent, a vacuum line that'll fit right underneath the carburetor there into the intake, and that should take care of the pressure problem. So it'll just take that extra pressure that's building up in the motor, and then it'll run it down inside, reburn it, and send it out as exhaust instead of blowing the dipstick out and blowing the air filter off or the breather off, the valve cover. So that's kind of my plan. I will see how far I get on that. I should be able to get the valve covers done today, but I'm not sure about the carburetor. That one's going to take me a little bit because it has, on these transmissions, it has a TV valve right here, this cable. So that needs to be able to shift correctly. And looking at it, I'm honestly not sure if they got it set right, but I'll find out. And with that, I will stop now, and I'll come back when I get the valve covers on. Bye.